Welcome to another Trend Micro how-to video. In this video, we will show you how to disable real-time scan from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. Real-time scan is a persistent and ongoing scan. Each time a file is received, opened, downloaded, copied, or modified, real-time scan scans the file for security risks. Go ahead and log on to the Apex Central Web Console. Go to Policies, then select Policy Management. Make sure that the Apex One security agent is selected as the product. Click on the test policy that was copied and created from the current policy. Make sure to specify the machines that will be included for this test. Find Real-Time Scan Settings, then click to expand. Uncheck Enable Virus Malware Scan. Next, click Deploy. Wait for the policy to be deployed. Also, please do take note of the policy version. On the agent side, to verify if the policy was deployed successfully, right-click on the security agent icon, then click Open Security Agent Console. As you can see, the agent status is Protection at Risk, meaning real-time scan is in fact disabled. Now, hover on the icon at the bottom right of the agent console. This will show that the real-time scan feature is turned off. For additional verification, click on the pattern version to go to the component versions page. Scroll down, then hover on the information icon and verify if the policy version is the same version showing on the Apex Central Web Console. And that's it. That's how you disable a real-time scan from the Apex Web Central Console for isolation testing. For more how-to support videos, please click the Trend Micro button to subscribe now. To keep watching, click on any of these videos. Also, for the latest in Trend Micro updates and information, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.